The disadvantage of BBM's candidate is may bahid.
Oo.
Di ba? So,
At saka, tatanungin ka ng tatanungin, saan napunta yung pera? Sino ang mastermind?
Yes.
Kung hindi nyo yun sinasagot ngayon, magiging campaign issue yun sa
lalo na,
1998.
walang nakukulong.
Precisely.
Hanggang ngayon, si Martin hindi nakulong.
Oo.
Si Garjola hindi nakulong.
Oo.
Ang kinulong lang nila, si Revilla.
Si Revilla.
That's
Oo.
not, parang yun lang kasi gusto nila ipakulong. Ang mga tao sa Mindanao at kami mga Bisaya ba, mga Cebuano, may identification connection Di ba? Na we would rather trust somebody who is from our region than someone who is from that region and has a record of corruption. Di ba? And cannot even explain.
Yes,
But
yes.
BBM cannot even explain this
Tapos, di ba?
massive corruption in his government. And ang ayaw ko pa dyan, yung he looks like it's not a problem.
Oh,
hindi naman
yung
tayo,
let's move forward.
let's move on. Sinasabi ng spokesperson niya, paano kami mag-move on? Walang nakukulong. Tapos yung Sandro Marcos, anong sinasabi ngayon ng mga former security ni Saldico? May 5 maleta silang dinala sa Ilocos Norte. Ang problema talaga ni BBM at anyang kandidato is walang tiwala ang mga tao sa kanila. And I think, Prof. Malu, trust is really a number one standard ng voter.
Oo.
Diba?
Pag nawala ang tiwala, mahirap mong ibalik.
Paano ka nga naman magtitiwala? It's a hair follicle test lang, ayaw niya gumawa. You know, a very simple thing. It's a hair follicle test. Hindi magawa ni BBM, which shows that our suspicions are true, that he is a cocaine addict. Because you cannot just stop taking cocaine for a week and then it will be flushed down. Even in 3 months, it might not be able to be flushed down, unlike a urine test. And so, he has to do more than just, di ba, photo op siya sa Naga, bigay siya 500 million dun sa museum, photo op na naman siya sa Negros, bibigay siya na naman ng 1 billion of our money. Of our money, nagbabayad talaga tayo ng tax, lalo na yung VAT na yan, mga hihirap ay nagbabayad ng tax. Kaya, Bongbong Marcos has to do more than just give us band-aid solutions. And obvious ba mga kababayan na he's a lame duck. Sinaksak niya yung vice president niya and the people sympathized with her. So, BBM has a serious trust problem and he doesn't seem to care.